All right, cool. Well, I my name is CJ.
And my name is Dave Perry.
We are over. We're going to be talking today about software construction implementation as part of the quality assurance program. Now, something you might ask is, what are like common software methodologies you could apply to this phase? There's a couple that we've found. First one is waterfall. Um, and waterfall, the way that it's is can be applied to this phase is you just kind of go one step at a time, and everything and each step does the next step does not start until the current one that you're at is completed. And this is really nice because it prevents like overload. It prevents tasks from combining up until one another. Another methodology that we can use is continuous testing. With these pre-written test cases, the project can be tested throughout its development.
Yes, and this stage of the quality assurance process is pretty slick because um, it is at the very beginning of the software development process. And when the quality assurance team is working on making sure that a quality product is being created, they create at the very beginning of like the timeline of the project. Um, After the stakeholders have given the quality assurance or given the whole team the project idea, the quality assurance team can create standards that the rest of the software development team will follow. So they can outline what language is going to be used throughout the project, the style of coding, where to put comments, just good coding practices. And as the project is built upon those good coding practices, it makes testing easier. It makes building the project easier because the code is easy to read. There's just lots of benefits from the software, from the quality assurance team starting at the implementation parts of a project.
Now, at this point, you're probably asking what point do personnel roles like get involved in this quality assurance like life cycle? And the answer to this is just very, very, very beginning before any code is written, and this is important. Um, just so that everything can get planned out and everybody knows what they're doing.
Yes. Some of the duties and responsibilities that this phase has. There's obviously the quality assurance engineers who are under the team leader or the management of the team, as well as the technical writers who are writing out a document stating what the software development team will be following throughout the development process. Um, for the entry level criteria, because this is the very beginning of the software development process. This would be right after we get the project idea from the stakeholders and we receive the requirements that they will want in this project. From there, the quality assurance team can write test cases and different standards, like we've mentioned, that the software development team will follow, which will help from the very beginning the project be a quality project.
Some of the exit criteria of our phase, knowing when our phase ends and what to do like during it. Um, after the tests have been created, then the phase will shift into the meat of the software developing process. Testing is everywhere in both our phase and then the next phase. It's honestly quite important to have testing happen at every part just to make sure that each step, everything that's put in does not mess up or alter or disrupt any of the other like operations that are going on.
And after after that exit phase that Chris or that CJ was describing, what's the product that is produced is just a solid ground level project that is built upon good quality practices to help the rest of the project flourish and turn out great that the stakeholders will love. Yeah, so that is the implementation and construction parts of quality assurance. And CJ, did you have anything else you wanted to add before we close?
Nothing right now. Thank
Okay,
you.
perfect. Yep, thank you all.